Hi ladies, it's Mesa with kinsmade.etsy.com, and I wanted to show you the new box that I got from Simply Earth. These are my essential oils, so I'll go ahead and open it up for you. So I will tell you, like, we're right in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic. Colorado's all kind of returning to normal, which brings its own challenges. One of which is my crazy hair. We haven't really been out much. And of course my husband decided to take a week off just as things started to slow down with my son's school. He just got out of school, which we were kind of forced homeschooling to finish out the year. Anyway, so I've been looking forward to this women's health box for May, but it didn't come in time because my week is over. And that was rough. I also started my period, just my husband decided to stay home for a week, so yeah, that was challenging. Anyway, super excited to get these. Here's our recipe cards and our labels. There's a bunch of them. Looks like we have a blend called Lady's Choice. Oops, hold it so you can see. It's not gonna show you, is it? Lady's Choice, which has clary sage, marjoram, lavender, and geranium essential oil. Let's see what that smells like. I want to see what that smells like. I have no leaks at all. Okay, I like that. I probably need it right now. I have no clary sage, which is not a good thing to be hormonal. Good vibes. Definitely could have used this one this week. Let's see, this has clary sage again, geranium, lavender, lemon, and hoe wood essential oil. That's nice too. I think I like the other better. I think I like Lady's Choice a bit better. Let's see here. Sorry, I'm not really showing them as they come out of the box, but okay, here is marjoram. I've heard really good things about marjoram, and I love oregano for so many things, but it's so hot. And I think this may be similar. Similar benefits, but maybe I'm hoping more mellow. Sweet and herbaceous. So let's get a whiff, see how different it is from oregano. I like that. I like that one a lot. And tangerine. Oh, I didn't even remember this was going to come in the box. Super excited about tangerine. Because I love citrus. There's not a citrus one that I don't like. But I think that smells better than orange. It smells like spicier than orange. Okay, super excited about that. Looks like we have a little amber plastic bottle with that type of a tip. I forgot what we're making this time, and looks like a little lip balmy type of a container. I've been dying to make a lip balm, so I really hope that's one of the recipes. And dried lavender flowers. So it's gonna be a nice, relaxing, hormone balancing kind of mix. So it looks like we're making Cramp Care Compress. That's good. Complexion face serum, Good Vibes Roll-On, Spring Day essential oil blend, and balancing bath soak. That must be where the lavender comes in. So I'm probably going to need some Epsom salt. So anyway, they give you all these recipes, all this good stuff that you can make this month to give away, to use yourself. If you guys, I think this is my 4th box. If you guys want to subscribe to the box, use this code MESAS50, MESAS50, and you can get $10 off of your first 5 boxes, which is a $50 value. I wish that I would have followed somebody into Simply Earth so that I could have gotten that kind of a discount. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll let you know how I enjoyed making the recipes.